To remaster a photo in the Gallery app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open a photo you like to remaster. Swipe up from the bottom of photo and then tap remaster to start remastering the photo. Here you can drag the white circle with arrows icon to the left or right to review how the photo will look like before and after you do remastering. If you are happy with the result, tap save to save the change. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.